Welcome to the Yoga Mind. We are here today with a 12 minutes yoga practice, stretching and lengthening all muscles of your body. In this short video practice, we will explore dynamic postures and classical poses, aiming to strengthen and lengthen major muscles group, achieving a balance of flexibility and strength while calming the mind. Ending the practice feeling refreshed and energized. Throughout this yoga flow, listen to your body and modify the poses according to your needs. Pay attention to your breath and rest on child's pose for a break. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel, like this video, grab a mat, and let's begin. Go to a crossed leg pose, hands on your heart. Deep breath in. Go inside. Release your hands onto your lap. Inhale, lift your arms above your head and swing your body from side to side like leaves of palm tree on the wind. Hands coming into your shoulders and find big circles here. Squeeze your shoulder blades on your back, squeezing away any drop of tension lingering there. Inhale, find a twist to the right. Exhale, release a couple of times, finding that intelligent edge. Come to center, opposite side. Each inhalation, go a little bit deeper. Exhalation, find that intelligent edge. Release the pose, hop into your tabletop. Prepare for straighten your right leg to the back of the mat, pulsate, strengthening your hamstrings, opposite side. One more breath in, and drop both knees down, tuck your toes under, lift into your plank pose. Engage your core and drop one knee at a time. Keep squeezing abdominal walls, drop both knees down, and rock your hips back and forth from child's to table. And back to child. Yes, warming up that spine. Inhale, find the right foot between your hands, low lunge. Keep the pulsation. Rest your hands on your thighs. Tuck your back toes under and lift the knee. Drop the knee down. Feel your power. Starting to warm up those legs. Hands on the mat. Step into your plank. Change your size. Drop the back knee down. One more time. There you go. Beautiful. Both hands on top of your thighs and drop the knee down. Oh yeah. Big, powerful legs. Step into your plank. Bring your knees down for your first yoga push-up. Inhale. Up dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Both heels on the mat. Walk your dog here. One more breath in. Inhale, lift the right leg up and step into your high lunge. Arms are parallel above your head. Exhale, plank pose. Fight gravity as you lower into your belly. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Opposite side. Step into your high lunge here. Arms rise. Keep your shoulder blades dropping towards your hips. And step into your plank. Inhale, cobra up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. One full breath in and walk to the center of your mat. Grab your opposite shoulders, micro bend of your knees, ragdoll. Roll your body up from side to side. Drop your hands down. Inhale, straight back, halfway up, hands against your shins or your thighs. Exhale, forward fold. 2 more times. Go on your own pace. Keep that upper body strong. Inhale, mountain pose, stacking one vertebra at a time. Fine. Breath in. Coming into your mountain, ground yourself here. Press your hands into your heart, prepare to flow. Inhale. Lift your right knee off the mat, open to the side into a hip mandala. a couple of times as you ground through your left, gauging your core, press into triples. As you root through your left, express your arms into your own uniqueness. Maybe you adjust your feet in whatever way feels right for you. Keep grounding, keep relaxing your gaze. Bring your hands into your heart and prepare to change sides. Your center. Find your opposite leg reaching up, hip mandala. Roll through your right as you express yourself onto your tree. Maybe different expressions of the same pose. See what is right for you. Express your branches. Be big. Take bold steps here. Challenge yourself. Inhale, bring your hands into your heart and release the pose. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Prepare to flow. Forward fold on your exhalation. Inhale straight back. Exhale, find a plank. Reach into your own vinyasa, meeting me in downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale, right leg rise. Find a lunge pose. High lunge, arms rise above your head. Prepare for warrior one, dropping the back heel into 45-degree angles. Arms are parallel above your head. Hips facing the room in front of you. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades and interlace your hands behind your back. In the exhale, forward fold. Drop your head down. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Release any tension on your shoulders. Inhale, release the pose. Find your warrior one. Exhale. Follow your flow, follow your breath. Meet me in down dog, friend. Let's go for the opposite side. Allow your breath to be smooth. Your exhalation to be long. Shoot the back leg up and find your lunge. Inhale, reach with your arms and drop your back heel down, warrior one. Hips are square, facing the room in front of you. Looking up, open your heart, open your breath. Exhale, starting to press into your humble warrior. Interlace your hands behind your back. Allow your heart to shine. Exhale, forward fold. Release your crown towards the earth. Release your tension on your jaws, on your lips. Keep pressing your arms above your head. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, high to low plank. Follow your breath. Keep the integrity of the spine as you flow. Modify. Keep finding your way to sustainability, to keep your spine in deep integrity. Let's do it once again. Inhale, right leg rise. Find your lunge. Arms rise into high lunge and drop the back heel into warrior one. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise into warrior one. Exhale, follow your vinyasa. Meet me in down dog. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Prepare for the opposite side. Shoot the back leg up to space and find your high lunge. Drop the back heel, warrior one. Interlace your hands behind your back. Exhale, humble warrior. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, high to low plank. Follow your breath. Rest in down dog or in child's pose. Remember, you are caring for your body, caring for your breath. Inhale, right leg rise. Press that back knee into a low lunge. And prepare for a twist here. Keep lengthening. Lizard pose, both hands are on the mat for arm resting on the block or on the ground. Lift the back, the front big toe off the mat to open that knee a little bit deeper. Release the pose, step into your plank. Follow your breath. Meet me in down dog. Opposite side. Inhale, shoot the back, other leg up. And find a low lunge. Prepare to a twist. Maybe that knee will be up or will be on the ground. One full breath in. And lizard pose. Use a prop here. See what works for you. Keep allowing the hips to open, to find full mobility. I'm switching my way around so I can send you my love. That's right. Feel the sensations on your hips. Allow them to pass through you. Release the pose, plank pose, and meet me on your own child's pose. Open your knees wide, rock your hips, rest your forehead on your hands. What could you let go? What could you release? Come into seated, preparing to lay on your back. Bring your knees on top of your chest and give yourself a big squeeze. Rock your hips from side to side. Press your feet on the ground, bridge pose. Lift your hips off the mat or rest them on a block. Interlace your hands. Option to reach one foot towards the ceiling. Change sides. Keep your glutes relaxed to release your hip flexors. Release the pose and give yourself a hug. One full breath in, one full breath out. Find your shoulders stand. Shoot those hips up to the ceiling. Rest them on a block or hold them with your hands. Make shapes with your legs, circle your feet. Press your feet behind your head if you have the mobility. Give yourself support by holding your hands under your back. Release the pose. Hug one knee into your chest and prepare for a supine twist. Drop that knee to the opposite side of your mat as you look over your shoulder. Keep your arm supported on the ground or on your thigh. Release the pose and change sides. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Notice the quality of your breath, the quality of your mind. Release, come back to center. Rock your hips, open them wide. Child's happy baby, actually. That's right, open your knees wide. Find one more movement or rest in Savasana for as long as you wish. Go inside, allow the peace of yoga to nourish you. When you're ready, roll into one side of your mat and come to a seated position. Bring your hands into your heart. Find compassion for yourself. May you be peaceful. May you be filled of love. Namaste.